I want to do a demo on this Axel fountain. The thing that really sold me on it was the fact that it spins. I think that'll be a pretty sweet effect, and I'm really interested to see what that looks like. So I'm just gonna cut the paper off the top here and then screw this base to a scrap piece of wood that I have so we can see the effect. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of disappointed by that effect. It was supposed to do a lot more spinning. I don't think the issue was putting those screws in it because you could still spin it with very minimal effort, as you can see by this video. One thing that comes to mind that might have caused this was the ground might have been a little bit unlevel where I placed it, so it might have been a little bit unbalanced while it was spinning. With all that being said, I still think this fountain was cool. I just think it would have been a lot cooler if it would have spun like it was supposed to. Maybe next time I won't put the screws in it to see if that has any effect, or I'll just make sure that it's on a large flat surface and see if that helps.